Hey Rhonda, so I'm going to show you how to send email marketing to your subscriber list in Eventbrite with an event that you already have set up in Eventbrite. So once you've gone to your events and you've clicked onto your actual event, you're going to want to scroll down and see on the far left here, you're going to see a couple different options, right? Basic info, this is where you set up your event. But then down here, you'll see this marketing option. And what I want you to look at is this email invitations tab. And so I'm going to click that. And it'll load here in just a second. And so this is a brand new Eventbrite account. So we probably don't have very many or any subscribers, but number one, it will say how many subscribers you have in here. I believe you said a certain amount. And so you would see that around here, and then you would click new campaign. Click this new campaign, you name it. Let's say it's January chat GPT event. You're naming the email campaign. So when you go back and look at all the campaigns that you've done in Eventbrite, you know which one was for each event. Then you click get started. And so immediately what Eventbrite is already going to do is it's going to proof or already create a proofed email for you that is specific to the details of the event that you chose it for. Once you chose the event and then you click email invitations after that, it's going to pull the data from your event already. And you can use this copy or you can change it. If we go up here, click content. This is where you can check off if you want to promote more than one event, let's say. But for sake of purposes of selling tickets to one event, you'd probably only want to have one event selected. If you were to have two events selected, then it would essentially do something like this, but it would duplicate it for two events. So it would have this top section over here, but this section that you see right here, it will be duplicated in the email. And so right in here, you can see hello, and then it'll change over here. And you can customize this to exactly how you would want it to be customized, or you can use it to what Eventbrite uses. And that's really it. And the cool thing about this email is it comes from Eventbrite, but it's promoting your event. And then people can just register directly from the event. Then you click continue, and you can choose, depending on the account that you're using, you can choose, how often these emails go out, or if it goes out immediately. Either one works if you're not able to pay for all the emails that go out instantaneously. Even sending them out over the period of 3 days or so can still be viable. Now, again, we have no subscribers in this brand new Eventbrite account. So, Eventbrite is saying, do you really want to do this? So that is how you will send email invitations with your specific Eventbrite event within Eventbrite.